se empanyufo ani abre wahye se obia entumfiri esanse omo bedwuo nyina egu no mama ensiesie akoso yenya ntie se ebi mo se da enya de a wo mo ebeko mark mahai
so
baby a wugina na hot sense a
yo me da se bebe si ano yo St. Gregory Catholic Hospital e wo Bujumbura camp and eba ha se ya ha ya manya ya residents do na puo bufie obebe gina no na so me say aya aban am 2 months
aban am 2 months ene na 2 months no so say omunyina betu afi Bujumbura camp ya established in 1990 Liberia camp for Liberia refugees no this is 31 years ago omukreati camp here ene aban you can say UNHCR you know UN for Jamu 2010 and then aban say yaji asase no na ye de development project na so wo hwe ahase ya aya asema ase atuomo pusa ya residents of mo pusa to do na obegina kwan ho ebimusu ye hweba ebimusu tu ebimusu etu adeko ebimusu jejina hase ebimu buafu eni ade a chese amanfo eni nyu kwa se ye tuomo afi aya Bujumbura kam hase na so aban catch penny ogoma is oya honorable Solomon Kwam aso chese aban chese aha no ebe redevelopment chese ebe siese ebe se esiha ye enti ese the landmass omoteso no asesa mo hwe na motu ya mpa ya nsambre no openi ba ko ha ono nani abre pa yi opesa ne yakasa ebisa ne se openi adentina den na mo kafa siese tum no den na wo kafa ho.
Yeah, I'm Brother Gabriel Ishmael Jallo, resident of Buruburam refugee camp. We are, for the last 48 hours, we are about to witness one of the most horrendous crimes that ever take place in any refugee camp in the world since United Nations was established in 1945. I say this because there are inconclusive processes that was started here by the United Nations High Commission for Refugees, the Ghana Refugee Board, and their implementing partners. They are yet to conclude it. They are about to evict us from the camp in a very gruesome demolition manner. And what makes me angry is because I'm standing on the soil where Kwame Nkrumah declared that the independence of Ghana is not conclusive until you have the total independence of Africa. I'm also standing where the ECOWAS chairman, His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, is here. Then today, Liberians, Sierra Leoneans, Ivorians, they are about to be evicted without even talking to them.
All right, let me ask you. We understand this place was decommissioned in 2010 by UNHCR, the Refugee Commission. Were you not aware? We also understand that some of your people returned home. Why do we still have, after 11 years, after the decommissioning of the refugee camp, you are still here and saying this?
Yeah, the refugee camp was decommissioned from a refugee camp to a refugee settlement. The decommissioning is embedded with processes, which is integration, repatriation, and some limited resettlement. But as I'm telling you now, all the process are inconclusive. Nobody is talking to us. Nobody is coming to us. All we know is that they have branded this place a place of a den of thieves. We are not security experts. The Ghanaian has security. They have the security experts who can fish out the criminals. You cannot seek refuge behind security or criminals to come and demolish a camp.
Are you?
Yeah, you can go and look for the criminal. We are not criminals.
Are you alleging that the government officials have not spoken to you formally about this eviction?
Not at all. First of all, the DCE here has been very, very, very. I can't define the DCE here because you just go on here and start talking without even talking to the local authorities here.
We understand they gave you 2 months. Are you not aware of that notice?
How can you give us 2 months on the ear? You don't come and sit with us. There are process that you have not completed. You need to complete the process before you give me 2 months. Even 1 week ago, there was a meeting here where they said all those who are still refugees, they had a meeting across the road. They said they are coming to send them to school. So they have been flip-flopping. But you see, what Ghana need to know that there are people who are born here, they never gone to Liberia or Sierra Leone.
So you disagree with the eviction
we disagree with it with distinction, because you cannot evict people. Even Ghana, rent control, is it not 90 days? How the people who spend over 30 years here, you just come and evict them without going through the normal process?
Are you notified? All right, let me speak to your brother and find out his concerns too. Right, my brother, you're welcome to UTV News.
Thank you very much.
Kindly tell me, what is your view about this eviction notice that you are given?
It is very inhuman, most especially when we hold Ghana at the highest esteem as a country that holds refugees well. But from what I'm seeing, it is like they don't care about humanity again.
All right. So if you, I believe this land is for the government, and over the last 31 years is giving it out on refugee status. Now you want to reclaim. Is it not right that the government reclaims this land?
You see, there are processes that brought refugees here. Refugees did not fly and come here. They came here on an agreement. And I believe that agreement, they have not fulfilled it. When you look here, this is a hospital. It was because of the refugees that this hospital came here. Look at the police station. It is because of the refugees the police station came here. Look at the schools, the Catholic schools and other schools at Fete. It is because of them. There was an agreement, and Liberians are not here on free ground. They're here on agreement, and now you have started a process which you started, according to you, since 2011, and you have not completed it. If, as I'm speaking now, some of them, their passport is still with the Ghana Refugee Board. You have not concluded it. Most of them, you have not done anything, and you just wake up one morning and tell them to leave. Is that good?
Yo, yeti refugee camp by tomorrow no or China someone to ebetu amati somani nyo say aban chese say otu omufi Bujumbura camp ha say
ready twen say empanyifo bom ne ombesi ani ho na Taliban wona na wonti omonka
yo yenya ba ha de ye hu say emrante dodo na na wa ha but bibi say Taliban de yenya ntibi bia ye ba ha say de yenya nti omonka ye hwa say be ni emanu su bi be kasa ebi say omo say omo hihye se na som no kono no omo dwen ho say eti ye be pen emanu me de makasa ebi say omo say omo dwen say hello ahima me ma chiba YouTube What about YouTube?
But I do so.
I can't see about two Liberia camp high to your half. Now, some free has said. Or China almost at a bubu has said. Why didn't you want to say?
Oh, me patcho me dem adwenture only sanka me de pa because ama so ka so to camp krampa wonni din pa wo bibie mu nti me de pa se ye bedwiri ha se na mom ye dwiri ha se ye wo se ye nso ayete ha no ye bo abrabo papa na se nyame hwe so na odi sisa ekuro ni din sa na me so madwenture.
Oh, my medase. Now, also, I do say,
my dream is say, me the pa say you move dream because abrabo mo bo ha no. Enye, ama se sia e bia ka mema na eni obote ne kura. Ama ye hu ya brabo ni nya ye basa, ye kunu mo no, omo bura ahape, na omo de omo ho pese, omo de omo ho ebo omo wa ha no. Na omo so bo na mo kwan mi so a ema ye ni pedua na empe. Esa na ha ye ma na ye mba ina ye basa. Nte de pa ye ni age de
so what ya na just a man no bi so na chiro madwen fa eviction notice a ye de ma na say you see omo tu ochina eso mo fi ha na wo hwa schools na ebe say bi so aban penifo be say nhihia ben no mayama the various institutions are your schools your hospitals and other institutions no nhihia ben no mayama kwala no on the hospitals no say omo betu omo omani awoni nkotai na tese bia so mo kọ no eso mo akọ ye be kọ so ani pese ene bi mu be kasa e bi so mo se omo so omadwe nche ne san ense ene ye tu omo a omo nyina be gu kwan ho ese ene e omo laze baba ai mama wachiba ma haba UTV Well, welcome to UTV News. Can you tell me what's your view about
me and you? No, I don't want to. I was talking right here. Because UTV, when you talk, UTV will go free a different way. UTV, they get free top a different way.
Okay, can you tell me?
We are begging the government. We are begging the government to please, those are integrated people. We are begging the government to put them in the society so that they will go and work and help themselves. Those are registered for the general repatriation. We are appealing to Ghana government to help and talk to UNHCR to repatriate those are registered for general repatriation. We want to go back home. Those are registered for general repatriation. Those are integrated. We want the Ghana government to talk to the UN and talk to the international community to integrate those people that are under integration. We that agree to go back home. We are begging Liberian government. They should help me in the process because we are Liberian.
Okay, thank you very much. So what you mean about this one? And also say, so na nyama na kobano no, nsam na kobano no. And I just say, omoma omukofie back. Omo a say omukofie no. Say yaboa na mutumu kofie. Nti eno na yakata. Many na also what you trying say?
Oh, many but me very me I na mete. But me hana more so me dey because in someone else we hana too much. Oh, enganga zaga buma de ko no man be kunkumu ni ade wia bibia be subia e hono ma na ede e ko so no.
I already so betu.
Me dem I already say metu. Me I already pass metu. Nti ko na e de say de meko.
Yo, ya da samutie ya. Nti say ono so na chere say why already so betu. Mpanifo do na atwa hia square ha say St. Gregory Catholic Hospital or Bujumbura ha say ya. Almost said they never see it, and at the end of the day, many are saying,
hey, yo, daddy, you're from John Paul.
Yo, you share I saw China by our channel, and I saw to fear or China Babu. I say, what do you tell me?
I'm the person Bobu, I say no, because the aircourse were camp one day, in fact, and yet, so by any member from 8 going in there, and then is I show for me, you know, Chrononi, I show ni. Ahano ye bete man kranto mubu e kwana me kwa me filisa mompa me na influence.
What to? What's the sound yamako?
O me dem my we se meko.
Na onko by the end of the day.
Na o me dem ni problem sir.
Okay.
Me ni problem ba obi o so ni on be so obeko no de me kwa me yem kwa na nkaka no kwa ka ba wonna kwa.
Yo, what the enu anum bi omo so my ready ombeko. I ma design. Yo, ebi mu so afari. Enti wo hwa anya asem ketwa wa ha amanfo dodo na abegu ha say ya omo hwe enu mu say de na besie na ya si ometu budumbura abesi no abe clear no de na besie ama enipa no aya yiti ya do e ko so ni ebi ma ka se bi some say o ma o din che na say
sisi aya se yenko ye ni bebi akọ ye ni sky de ko ha dan nti ye ni bebi akọ nti ye wa ha nti ye hwe ne aban de ba nti sa aban be hwe yen ebe hwe ye makos ye manketenkete ko school he france ka ben ye kwanya de akọ ha dan akọ tenem na nkwala na enya kwan adan akọ school
na ya Ghana ni ana
me ye Ghana ni pio
na aha ni Liberia ni Sierra Leone for the nim se wa ha se na also ye wa
yeso ye ba ha se ye babo ye bra se aha se ye krom nti ye se yeso ye ba ha se babo ye bra
at side there na je se ye se ntu ani aka che Liberia for ye se wa 2 months na onya preparation bia
there be me because me ni scam de ko ha dan nti me nya preparation bia
yo it is what ya na se ensama ye nuanom ma ne mema omo Bujumbura camp ha ka fa etu ya se ye betu omo by today the end of today and I say na enko ewie ye no se omo hwe se omo betu afia na aban se be take over the place from tomorrow 1st October no etimi abaso ye be ko so na ebi makasa na e de be si ha ama YouTube ahwefo ne aka chire no e dobra mo e de wase bebre
wei eyeye nua magbaro ne mfonyina ekoso he obuduburam camp eno ne omanfo etwitwi nkoma otwa kakra e de emaye Jacob Kubi mahai camp na efahin ena wugina den na ekoso ho
yo titi amene